didn't say to stop. Over here, you can see that sand. Greetings and welcome back to TC Lifestyle Adventure. I'm TC One Historian, and as I mentioned at Carrollwood Village, I was going to Rocky Creek Trails Nature Preserve. All the way here by Manhattan Drive and Gun Highway in Tampa. Oh, look at that. Another one. Okay, I haven't necessarily started it yet, but I'm gonna do it right now. And unfortunately, you're gonna have to pay just to park here. And there's that tow inside, let you know they mean business. Now, if I remember correctly, that's gotta be the trailhead. And I like what I see so far. Yeah, no, I'm expecting it to be short as was advertised, but it's through trees this time. That's a little better, so I can get out of this sun. Here, blah 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 blah. Okay, not allowed to ride box here. Let's get started. Oh, there we go. So far so good. I'm away from that sun. Now the trees are giving me shade. See, this is what I'm more used to. You see what I mentioned earlier about the trails being paved with dirt separating the grass? This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're not in the fall season anymore because all the leaves are on the ground. Yeah, I can tell there's some damage here from Helene and Milton. Okay, I need to get that out of the way. Okay, that tree bark has a red rectangle on it indicating the trail. And if that's not enough, there's that sign pointing me to go left. I don't know what's to the right. I guess let's go left. Hey, for those that had to travel for the holidays, are y'all gonna travel back now? Wait till after New Year's? What y'all plan on doing? Do y'all have any New Year's resolutions for 2025? I definitely do, but I don't want to spoil it. I'm gonna treat it like a birthday wish, like we're about to blow out the candles. Hello, there's a boardwalk. Good. Now this is what I'm talking about. 2 days ago, I did Weeden Island Preserve with my best friend in St. Petersburg in Pinellas County. Now I'm at another nature preserve at Rocky Creek in Tampa and Hillsborough County. And yes, these counties are adjacent. I guess that's the infamous Rocky Creek. And as you notice by that pup, this is pet friendly. Oh, I cannot wait to get my own. I don't have any information about all this. I don't know if it naturally looked like this, or this is the result of clearing up the debris from Milton. I would say the latter, based on how that trunk had been taken off. And these logs right here. Sheesh, it was uprooted. Yeah, I remember when I had to stay behind for that cruise while Miss Charmaine and her hubby had to go on a cruise based out of Miami, while up in Central Florida we bore the brunt of 2 hurricanes. Yeah, there's that rectangle on the bark. This is part of the trail. Now, also lets you know that I'm definitely not a beginner at this. How many nature preserves have I been on? Alderman's Ford, Whedon Island Preserve, not Les Lake, that's a conservation park. Eureka Springs, that's a conservation park. Stephen J. Wortham Park, that's not a preserve. I'm just brainstorming right now. But this is what happens when you're a hiker like me, or should I say hiking enthusiast. There's so many trails I've been on. Dirt, grass, concrete. I've not done underwater yet. There are some aquatic preserves. I need to look more into that, because I never heard of that until I went to La Jolla in San Diego. I can put that in another video. Wait a minute. Is that it? That's part of the, that's the trail? Are you telling me that's it? I paid $2 for that. Oh man. I don't know what to say to that. I seriously don't know what to say to that. How do I react to that? Well, I'm gonna get the most out of those $2 I spent at the park. It looks like an interurban trail. Let me just keep walking. That wasn't even a quarter of a mile. Well, it didn't feel like a quarter of a mile. But now I see what those signs were talking about regarding the bikes. Okay, I don't need to go on the wheels. I got 2 legs. Let me use them. See? Life gave me some lemons. And I proceeded to make lemonade. Instead of whining, crying, complaining over the excuses. Nah, I ain't about that. I mean, it's still a nice day out, so I'm not complaining too much. Well, I am some distance away from the main road. Gotta make do with what I can. Some guys are on the roof of that house putting up solar panels. I think they'll make a killing with solar panels over in the desert, like where Utah is. Ain't that something? Yeah, there's a lot of homes along this trail because I keep seeing all these private property signs. Huh. I need to take pictures right here. For those who are wondering, yes, my shirt says "Karma made me do it." Can't remember if I saw it on Amazon or on Hot Topic, but it definitely suits me, you know. Okay, I see people coming my way. There's 3 of them. 2 are on scooters, 1 is jogging. Just gonna focus on the environment around me. I'm on the trail with my camera. Life now. And here's a 4th right in the back. Definitely one of those modern bikes where you don't pedal. It's like motorized or something. Maybe I should probably check one of those out one of these days, along with an electric scooter. I definitely could have used one of those in Everett. But when I go back to Washington, I'll worry about it then. It also would be a nice thing to use if whenever I go back on the Riverwalk, whether it be in Tampa or in Bradenton. Yeah, it's more about Bradenton I know nothing about. I gotta go return to see what's up over there. It's nice and quiet. I'm away from the road. Not the hiking trail, I'm talking about the main road. I can just hear it in the distance. And this is what I like. I don't like it too noisy. Unfortunately, when New Year's comes around, I'm gonna be hearing a lot of that with the fireworks, so be ready for that. That is not an approved access point. I can't go there. Okay, before I forget, time for a shout out. Jason and Gina, Robin, the Robin on with Jason G, and then the other Robin that I met from Triple T Mukbangs. I can't get that name right. But shout out to them. They have a camper, Mackie Lifestyle Adventures TV, Father and Son, Special KK247, JH Vlogs 512, Come So That Point to Kashmir, Renew Cool, Life Reality USA Vlogs. Blah blah blah. So many. Zarma's Vlogs. All three of your channels. I'm not sure if there's more. Same thing for Joyful Julie. I don't know how many channels she has. Who else is there? Ready Lifestyle and Adventure, or Adventure and Lifestyle. I'm sorry. Who else is there? Nick, Nedge. I gotta look at his name again. Andre Clock Milton. Crazy Family Vlogs. Tajudin Vlogs. Taha London. There's so many of y'all. Just to name a few. There's more for me to look at. The Rocky Creek Bridge and the Upper Trail is closed. So this is part of the Upper Tampa Bay Trail. So this is Citrus Park. Okay. I'm not sure how dated this sign is. I honestly don't know. Wow, blah blah blah. Well, since that, I don't know what that was. Does that continue to go forward? Oh yeah, this reminds me of that Legacy Trail in Sarasota to Pinellas Trail in Pinellas County. Is this part of the Hillsborough one? Oh yeah, the Upper Tampa Bay Trail. Because I tried to go to another part of the trail, well, a section of the trail west of here, by right towards the Tampa Bay. Was it the Courtney Campbell Bridge? It's one of those bridges. I'm gonna be right back. All right, I didn't finish yet, but I found something quite of interesting here along this Upper Tampa Bay Trail. This is an overpass. This will give me a good panoramic. You see what I'm saying? Because I didn't just give up and abandon it. I'm like, oh, this is part of a trail, and this was already on my list to do anyway. Let me just do it now. If I can't go through the whole trail at once, because it's pretty darn lengthy, I can do sections of it at a time, like I did with the Centennial Trail in Snohomish County. I can't wait to do that again. Well, I'm definitely getting the workout now, mainly cardio, and if it's, or should I say aerobics, but if it's anaerobic, I'm definitely getting it in my legs. All that Christmas dinner that I had, and now I gotta burn it all off. This isn't a mountain or a hill, but this will have to do. Before I continue, if there's something about this video that you felt like I should have highlighted or mentioned, or if you have any questions, concerns, gripes, or complaints, let me know in the comment below. And now, back to the video. Okay, what road is this? I don't know this road off the top of my head. Oh wait, this is Gun Highway, Citrus Park Highway, okay. Ah, it's fenced in, so I can't put my hand out and tilt the camera down. There's one thing to look at. Normally we're over here, you're in a car or a vehicle, and we got that guy's way. Last time I did something to this, I was in Everett. I left Grand Avenue Park, and I was doing that bridge to go to the Marina, or Marina, however you want to call it. Oh, so that's 275, got it. Oh, that sun's bright. So I'm not gonna have the camera look at it. Oh look, McDonald's. They are everywhere. Hashtag Ray Kroc. And look at that, more development. They're probably building some, I don't know if that's a plaza or an apartment complex that they're building. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not really that interested to look it up right now. I'll just see it if I ever bother to come back in this area. Definitely getting it. Definitely getting my worth out of them $2 I spent. Because after all, it was non-refundable. That looks like it's a retention pond. Yep, covered in sewage, algae, and a bunch of other stuff. Oh well. Hey man, when I say I'm a hiking enthusiast, it's not just there for show. Okay, I'm not sure where this part of the trail goes, but that overpass was definitely a nice touch. Otherwise I had to be stuck at an intersection and wait for the lots to let me go. I don't want to do that. Incline plane, no grinding or jumping. Okay, good thing I don't have a skateboard or a bicycle to worry about that. Huh, I never actually see anyone ride a horse near this area. Usually you see that. Huh, I seen it on pictures at the Sydney Trail over by Dover. But thanks to Milton, it's been closed for a bit. Have I ever seen a horse here that wasn't being driven on the interstate? Probably not. I can't even think of one. I'm still here. I'm still trucking. Okay, who else did I forget? Who else? There's someone I didn't mention. Atishawi. I did not say that one. I said Renew Cool. Life Reality USA Vlogs. I said Crazy Family. Who did I mean on Life Reality? And Lee. Jadath. I can't remember how I pronounce that name. Sunship Soil. Spiral Black. The Hell Freeze Horse. Did I get that right? I'm just shotgunning it right now with all these names I gotta give a shout out to. But if you'd like me to give you a shout out and or a blessing, just let me know in the comment below. You can either put it in the live chat to your left or to the regular chat right below you. Who else I gotta collaborate with? I worry about Dan. That's how to get out of that sun. I was waiting until I got to the shade because that sun was rather bright. So whenever you're over on the freeway, like 275 right there, and whenever you look on the side, you see like a line of trees over there, you just take pictures like your National Lampoon. I would have never thought that a trail like this would be within those trees that you see driving along the freeway. So this is what it's like from that perspective. Interesting. That reminds me, I should have done that trail, that interurban trail in Everett, right by the 5 at 128th Street Southwest in South Everett. That's near Bothell. Dang it, right where that Holiday Inn is. I could have done something. I don't know why I didn't do it, but I hate myself for that. But I can always go back home and do it. I should probably bring Miss Charmaine out to one of these things. It can't hurt to try and ask her. I'm not sure when I want to turn back. Alright, I'll let you know when I find another scenic spot or area of interest. And just in case I don't, this is TC, the Wandering Historian, encouraging y'all to try new things. Hopefully I can find another part of the hiking spree for Hillsborough County. Blessings to all. Alright, so what'd you think? Please like, share, subscribe to stay up to date for more videos. This is TC, the Wandering Historian, encouraging y'all to try new things. Blessings.
Stop.
Yeah, I didn't say to stop.